Have you noticed any mold or mildew on your siding? It's more common than you think. In this video, you're gonna learn why you might be seeing mold or mildew, how to prevent it, and how to tackle these pesky problems. Hey, I'm Chris from Southwest Exteriors, and welcome back to the Home Solutions channel. Mold and mildew on your home siding can be unsightly and damaging. First, let's understand what causes mold and mildew. These fungi thrive in moist, shaded environments, feeding on dirt, dust, and other organic materials that accumulate on your siding. Poor ventilation and drainage around your home can make the problem worse, making it essential to address these underlying issues. Now, when it comes to mold and mildew, prevention is key. Regular maintenance can go a long way in keeping mold and mildew at bay. Clean your gutters to prevent water overflow, trim back trees and shrubs to allow sunlight and air circulation, and ensure your siding is properly ventilated and sealed. These steps will reduce the moisture and organic materials that mold and mildew need to grow. Identifying mold and mildew early is crucial. Look for black, green, or white spots and streaks on your siding. Mold often appears as fuzzy or slimy patches, while mildew tends to be powdery. Knowing what to look for can help you address the problem before it becomes a major issue. If you spot mold or mildew, don't panic. There are several effective cleaning solutions. For mild cases, a garden hose and a scrub brush with a mixture of water and mild detergents can do the trick. For more stubborn growth, consider using a mold removal product specifically designed for siding. Always follow manufacturer's instructions and make sure to test a small area first to minimize any damage that a product may cause. For severe mold and mildew problems, it's best to call in the professionals. They have the expertise and equipment to safely and effectively clean your siding without causing any damage and letting you know that the problem is going to be taken care of. Dealing with mold and mildew doesn't have to be a headache. If you need more tips or professional assistance, reach out to us at southwestexteriors.com. And if you are in the San Antonio area, use the link above for a free consultation where we can help educate you personally on how to address any mold or mildew issues you may be having around your siding. Make sure to like this video and subscribe for more home maintenance advice. Thank you so much for stopping by the Home Solutions channel, where we want you to have the look you love coming home to.